Phoenix Boat Works, and today we're going to look at how to fix a few things in the hull while repairing and refurbing a boat. So what I usually do is, after I've removed the varnish or the paint, I'll just clean up the surface of the area nicely, make sure that it's suitable for applying some epoxy. And I'll tape off the area just to make it nice and tidy. I'll first saturate the area with a little bit of epoxy that hasn't been thickened yet, because I feel that just creates a better bond, because that unthickened epoxy seeps in better into the wood and also protects the wood a little bit better in every little nook and cranny in that scratch or ding that you've got on the boat. And then after I've done that, I'll obviously fill that with some thickened epoxy, and then remove the tape so that I don't have a lot of epoxy that's on the tape. And then from there it's sanding, and if you want to, you can always use a little bit of fairing compound after that. So that's what I do. You might differ from me, so leave a comment down below. But yeah, let's have a look on what I do. Before I use the thickened epoxy, I usually just saturate the whole area with some normal epoxy that's been unthickened, and that's just to get the epoxy in everywhere before getting to the thickened epoxy that might not reach some places that still need some epoxy. Just really go to town on these edges to try and get some epoxy just into all the hard to reach places. What's nice about the masking tape is I'll just use all the extra epoxy and move it out again onto the masking tape, but I'll just remove once I'm finished with this, and I don't actually have to do anything. And there we've got a nice little patch. We're just going to wait for that to dry, sand it out, and then once the whole area is epoxied, we are going to put some epoxy fairing compound on there and sand it smooth.